In this video, I will show you how to make a new meeting on Google Meet. So let's start it. First of all, you have to go to your Gmail. Then at the top right corner, you will get the Google Apps option. From that option, you have to click on this. Then you will get the Google Meet icon. So you have to click on this icon. Then you will see this page will appear from here. If you click on the new meeting, then you will get the start an instant meeting option. You have to click on this start an instant meeting option. Then you will see this page will appear. From here you will get the join now option and meeting ready. From here, if you click on join now, your meeting will start. Before starting the meeting, if you wish, you can make your camera off as well as your mic you can off. So if you want to on your mic, then you can enable in this way. Then if you click on the join now option, then your meeting will start. From here, if you want to add any people or invite any people, then you have to click the meeting joining link. Then you can share this link by mail, by WhatsApp or Telegram. I'm sharing in this way in the Telegram or my invited people. If the invited people click this link, click on join, and one permission will come to your device. Then if you admit, then that people can join to your meeting. So then you will start the meeting. So in this way, actually you can make a new meeting in Google Meet. If this video help you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day.